Imagine this. You are at a campus placement interview and the recruiter asks, Java or Python? Which one do you specialize in? Your answer could shape your entire career. But how do you choose between these two powerhouse languages? When it comes to choosing between Java and Python, the decision isn't just about preference. It's about aligning with your career goals. Whether you're aiming for a role in software development, data science, or something else entirely. For aspiring software developers, if you're aiming to land a job in a big enterprise, Java should be your go-to language. It's the backbone of high-performance systems at companies like Amazon and Google. But if you see yourself working in a dynamic startup environment where the speed and flexibility are crucial, Python's simplicity and rapid development cycle make it the ideal choice. Passionate about data science or AI? Python wins hands down. With its powerful libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow, Python is the industry standard for data-driven roles. Java, while robust, doesn't quite match Python's ease of use in this space. For web developers, Python offers quick and clean solutions with frameworks like Django and Flask, perfect for startups and rapid prototyping. On the flip side, Java's strength lies in building complex, enterprise-level applications where performance and security are critical. Want to build Android apps? Java has been the go-to language for years, especially for those aiming to dive deep into mobile backend services. Python, though not a traditional choice, can still be used for cross-platforms development through frameworks like Kiwi. Game development is another area where your choice matters. Java is great for Android game development, while Python shines in rapid prototyping and entire game development. Your choice here depends on whether you're aiming for mobile platforms or quick iterations. Backend developers, listen up. Java's robustness and scalability makes it perfect for enterprise-level systems. Python, however, offers a faster development cycle, especially when working on web applications or AIs in a startup environment. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on where you see your career going. Both languages are versatile and financially rewarding, with top industries offering competitive salaries. But if you need structured guidance, check out our comprehensive courses on both Java and Python, available with a 25% discount using the code PythonHubSub. Links are in the description below. If this video helped you to make your decision, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring developers. And don't forget to subscribe to Python Hub for more insights and tips to help you ace your programming career. See you in the next video.